the first in the world. If you look around the world, apart from in Virginia, they have Igbo village in Virginia. They created it by putting the antiques, the antiquities of Ndibo there. You can come there, kind of archive of Ndibo. But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land. That is 250 plus of land along.
And then first time o face the o share me video a abusia je ma de ba compare subscribe me YouTube channel no emma me edre da so ya de pa agent TV channel wo subscribe a anytime bi a me de video beto bi a one person a obi kana a share me video abusia mo subscribe channel no na channel no enyine abusia over the weekend ya Nigeria ni ya wo free Nigeria aba Ghana o clean no say o ye king Igbo king Nisabno ensaye abusia na ma yama jo seven kasa but send no kono se mamba be kirekire ama me followers so hu de ekoso na akwese ma yebone abusia Nigeria ni a wa ba Ghana na okle no so ye king Igbo for king anya no na asem no e ka se king dia o se wo free o mai mo na se wo free ukrum na okọ obi krom a na ohere krono o se okay wo trap we na se wo nipa we wo na wodikane aba me krom gaza ya mama o timi na se memo asase na okromfo na eba no na wo so wo do omanim ana se bibi bon tu obia omubia na wodi animu akasa asem no se what say ntino se oyo obi na se ko obi maimu a sadi etimisi if you approach akra no ye wasante hene ye obro hene ye wo gonja hene ye wo frafra hene so what say sansena inside Ghana akra no se yefa se wafru wa na waba kumase a obetima ye se frafra hene wo kumase na wodi frafra fo no so sansena obiso asantenia na ofri asantemaimu eko wa na se eko north regional obetima akoya asante hene wo ho but eno nkire se obetima dikuno so what I say but Nigeria ni no de no entisa woman your friend say Nigeria ni no o say no oye king Igbo king in Ghana ntino opese wa anyese opese wa to asase o odningwa opese osi anonkasa the village or chichen anonkasa the krum say what I say na street no or the samanfo ne papa no mudrin what I say anona Ghana for say what are you saying and the Ghana for chira o majiro cho o papa ntino abusia mo ma enkotie de Igbo king no eka no so what I say nti na ya hwe se send the Ghana for chira o majiro fasa se wono no aya right na se enye right se obi betuma free no krom ana se obi betuma free ne mai mu aba o mai foforo mu se opese o chichi no krom abusia yenko asem no so mo ban kotie de Igbo king no eka no.
A very rich culture that must be encouraged. He believes the past and present leaders from Igbo as a nation from the Nigerian state deserves more. The father of all projects on his mind is the establishment of the first Igbo town in Ghana and of course the first in the world. If you look around the world, apart from in Virginia, they have Igbo village in Virginia. They created it by putting the antiques, the antiquities of Ndibo there. You can come there, kind of archive of Ndibo. But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land. That is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road. That is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're going to build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is
most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge, maybe for a day or two. Most of their visits, it doesn't take more than 48 hours or 24 hours. They stay there free of charge, and they know that, yes, this is what they have benefited from the Igbos living in Ghana. Again, our people that have accommodation problem and all that will come get there at least for 2 or 3 days before they can get out of the country, or those that come into the country in one way or the other will have accommodation of 100 rooms guest house. We will also, in the palace of the Ezigbo, we will also have apartment there for special guests like governors and ministers, and in future I know that we the Igbos will provide president in Nigeria, and I know that the president that will rule Nigeria at time to come must be an Igbo man, and one day by the special grace of God he also going to be part of those that are going to lodge at the guest house there in Igbo village. In that Igbo village, my good brother, what I want to do there is we'll create streets there. We'll create streets that will represent the names of the ancient Igbos. We'll create the streets that will bear the name of Sam Bakwe Street. That's the ex-governor of Imo State. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Nzogwo. We'll create a street that will bear, of course, the name of my father also, Zemaladi Henetu. And all the great Igbo leaders that they have gone, and those are present, will create streets in their name that will represent them in Igbo village in Ghana. And this Igbo village in Ghana, every Igbo man all over the world have right to come there and buy property. Either you want a plot of land or 2 plots of land to build your dream house. We're also going to build tall buildings of maybe 6th floor or 7th floor. We'll sell them flat by flat. And we will have a single entrance in this Igbo village. When you come in there, you're coming into Igbo village in Ghana. From there, Igbos will expand. We will build market there. Igbo market will represent there. Igbo school will be built there. We will create transport section there also. We will create what we call Ezigbo Garden. In Igbo language, you call it Mbala Ezigbo. Ezigbo Garden meaning where we create about 4 plots of land. We use 4 plots of land for that, for Ezigbo Garden, where we're going to plant yam, plant all the trees, all the leaves you can get in Igbo land. Okwa, ube, akubeke, ntoroba, oha, we're gonna also plant yam there. We'll plant ube there. We'll plant all these things so that at the time of New Year Festival of Ezigbo, we'll go to the Mbala there. We'll go to the garden there to get our New Year Festival. In there, you will see that yes, that's the Igbo tradition is really represented.
Now it is Selmo who the echo, what the echo. Abusiam, me share my opinion. Ghana forwa amokase Igbo kin no new right say obisini parishino. Media no mo ya adwene. Won't you free alata memu aba Ghana say media pese me see Paris. Na chichiri mkrum na masisi hotel ene your friends school numu ene your friends 2,000 capacity. What you say or no kasa wa chichiri mkrum alata for no temina na mamenka samchirem alata for mo yokrofobia ye mamu timi what you say alata for mo yokrofobia ye fatimi show mo sam ntirisa send the Igbo ni no kano say etibe baswa send the okrofo e kano odi 50 years 70 years no ye no omo be price asase what you say ye no omo be price asase even though ha say no na we ya something hine o abrocha say ya anu kire say ya ma otimi say ye de ope anase dimra what you say Utin kasem unyeshe udi wasante hine no wo Ghana for so na say wasante for so udi your friends say frafra hine wo frafra for so what you say but Igbo ke no dey send your no kana sem no anu na she Ghana for bufuo say what you say even though kan say o kan say okay me pese ye develop na your friends say ye bona Ghana develop na say person bibi aduma what you say. But send you no say or chichiri krum sa particular sem na oka say me pese me chichi krono anu na Ghana say ye ntiase nti abusia say de Ghana for kanu wono omo ya adwene na say wono omo nya adwene na lata ni nu so oka say o pese o chichi krom inside Ghana no ipo kro abusia hefa na oti sa senwe say o wa ba obi man so na o say ma to asase me pese me chichi krom na me de me samafo ne me mpanyinfo no ma wu akọ me nana no ma wu akọ me papa wu akọ na me de ni diri no ato kro no so abusia asenwe de me de to me de se de Ghana fo amobu afu a amo kam adwere san ibokin no me de me no mo ya adwene se what you say obetima Ghana na wodi wo hene wo ibo for no so ano de ye no any problem what you say but say o baba be Ghana na wachichi krom de ifa na what is ase wo Ghana ni ntimi free Ghana enko tra ibo krom se an ye frese be pese me ye frese asante hene o me pese me ye asante hene wo ibo krom ibo maimo anate me pese me ye goja hene wo ibo krom intimi si ana me pese me ye damanche ganfo hene wo ibo krom intimi si otiase intimi si de Ghana for no kanu de Ghana for no kanu de me de me ne Ghana for ya adwene pa me ne Ghana for ya adwene nti yibo kinu de nsem na kanu de ento asum otiase obetima di hine otiase no de normal say oye yibo kin say otiase odi ni hine no yibo for so but enye Ghana na your friends na o hwe kro no a okono Paris no send ya wa jin konja masa o wa no hono masa na nye ize sa papa no say send oye no hono say di timi no say otimi send o tie no send o kano say otimi ye dia Ghana ye hu say papa o Ghana o tie say ala ta fo ekura mo ba Ghana ekura no ya ma o timi ko ba send Ghana fo ye ho kire ye send ye ko ye freza ahotete mu na sa nkofo ye o mo ba nya timi o Ghana dia and the Ghana ya wu no ko da waka abusia me ka o adwumadie ye 2 in 1 agrada ho sensem no eno so ka honti no ya ba beto agrada ho sensem no so enti no adwumadie ka se ye 2 in 1 abusia enti no abusia won kire ma adwene se ne Ghana fo omo kasa no se ne Ghana fo omo bofu omo kasa amotoma sa ibokin no ya mo right na ana se enye omo right say obi betuma free ni maimu anase obi betuma free ni maimu say what I say e man foforo onye Ghana kura o na o say e phrase o better say 250 acre say what I say na o say no e phrase wa chichi ne krum sa krum na o pese o chichi no ero na ashe Ghana fa bufu anya ki no a obabedinu na ashe Ghana fa bufu basa ho de okasa me pese me chichi krum na phrase street na me mfa me samafo amawu akọ me mpanyifo amawu akọ na me de mudrato krum no so anu na ashe Ghana fa bufu otiase antabusia yento aso na yenhwe de papa no eka so otiase papa no anse oba Ghana no anse one mpanyinfo akọ mpanyinfo bebre wako hu ye friends ye former president Jukuna Akufo wako hu no mahu se ono no tonchia bi ansana ye current president John Dramani Mahama no so minimi se mahu se ono no te wo modin komo otiase nti sa papa no de do emunimu no pa emunimu no even though I hear for unimu no ba send ye ni unu nti no ono so betuma ono so be o de be kreke sisan ye ni me Ghana ntini me pese me cheche me kro ndia endo ntimi si o fa no se hunu nko abusuya se mo be kaya enche bia na ya te se ya chagrada court asentence no 15 years prison abusuya unu se agara asem no Ghana for ni wo hu pa Ghana for ni wo ho pa Ghana for wo concern wo ho pa enche bia na omo be kan kire se agrada eni prison mu nso agrada kesi no amafo animo wo ho pa amafo ni di akire pa nti Ghana for sem bisa ne se agrada e wo him because agrada ye opia wasise Ghana for wo bu Ghana for wo ku Ghana for otiase nti ne na ya che agrada na ya timi sentence no 15 years ya enne na mo e phrase mo be kan say agrada ni film prison wa hi fa na agrada ko ye nti Ghana for nsem bisa no Ghana for bisa prison officers no mo di as agrada sam na say mo agrada she o mo sam no Ghana for bisa o mo say agrada e ko he se be kasa agrada mama part konfo sika gare motiase sika gare mo amuni no sika gare mama part de oye popular in Ghana agrada oye popular power Ghana di bebre nim no motiase enti sia no Ghana for amonse mo bisa ne se agrada wo he agrada ko hye he mo sisi oni prison mo sisi agrada wo he go agrada sem no ehia Ghana pa ehia Ghana for otiase because send here agrada abu Ghana for no send agrada atisi Ghana for no na papa bi no su na mu bupo nkrofo no agrada sem no amanfo ni wa kire pa nti ye pese ye hu agrada no owo he agrada no o hye he abusia mo man kotie o panyina o de san information bra ye se agrada eni prison no mo man kotie na numasem
Nuaba Patricia Asedwa Nidia ni papi di ni mo ye frɛ no agrada enyina ni masema eto no last week Thursday Accra Circuit Court sentenced him to 15 years in prison. Ayare hosem ye nua no court ka say the sentence no it comes with hard labor into onko in some female prison na onko share sa akwanto yase ye no mo ka say ye checks chere say oni and some female prison into ye nua ba na wafa ye sentencing on Thursday na ye nwumre there are a lot of administrative procedures court no unfortunately Friday was a holiday. She couldn't have been taken to prison because administrative procedures no way won't mean for court. There's a so many BBI warrants and you know that kind of thing. It's a bit bureaucratic. And Friday was a holiday. Into probably and now I'm sure say a year nearby almost never call. Na so yadi eni akoko say ampa wa babedu. Into for now no I would say all these speculative stories about obia assaulted in prison should be dismissed with a vicious wave of the left hand. The real aspects of pain, a lot of scholars are true about your scholars be true book be titled The Pains of Imprisonment. Pain, they are so psychological. If you say na agrada I won't be here. Read videos are all sounds dress come energy bebre. Now all of a sudden you've been pushed into a space. Let's forget about say hoye time. Say home put to say hotel. The confines, the walls, the tall walls. Ore video area. And na die gugu so. Na wa we na agrada wo de wo ho. Na ene ye chiro time ada 4:30. It's a soda area. Wait, oh God. And no that torture. And no enema imprisonment. Yeah. And you're not bet children
I mean, leaving businesses behind. So about 5 years with John Hawk prison.
Enema prison. Yeah. And this is a huge figure coming into the prison. Yes, you're contemplating that we may have to perhaps visit her, obviously. And children in Rekakra. And you're easy, you know. And I think psychologically, when inmates are being admitted into the prison, your officers are mere mandated say if you look at the weight of the sentence, officers no bad advice so now what to expect whilst coming